Ona vile watu wametengeneza pesa hapa. In less than 5 days, the Kenyatta's endeavors have made more than 12 billion Kenya shillings. That is paper wealth, or what we call capital gains. These are the key shareholders wa NCBA. And there is this conversation inaendelea kwamba NCBA might merge with Stanbic. Mambo hapa ndio inafanyika. Imagine making 12 billion Kenya shillings in less than a week, and you can be part of this because it is this easy. Right now you can own one single share, meaning ukiwa na so moja, you good to start this journey of owning NCBA. Fanya hivi, tembelea in bank near you, open CDS account, identify the stock, fund your account and place your order. Alternatively, use any stock broker in Kenya, and you can find this through website here, Capital Market Authority, to identify a broker, or use an app kama hizi ambazo ziko hapa, and you're good to go. Let us not complicate very simple process of owning stocks in Kenya. It is this easy uanze kutengeneza pesa nani. Alafu shida ni kwamba hata nikikuelezea hii yote huwezi elewa. Huwezi.